Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to make an AI animated avatar for social media. If you want to create your own animated avatar, so you just have to install an application from Play Store app. Just open your Play Store app, go to search bar, and here just search for an app named Face Swap Magic. So just search for it and then just open the first app and you just have to install this. As you can see, I have already installed it, so just open the app. Tap on open and here you will be able to make your own animated avatars. So just tap on let's start and then skip the ad first. After that, just scroll down and choose this category. Just select here and here just choose the style you want to make your own avatar. I'm choosing this one, so just tap on it and then select your picture. I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it, then tap on generate your avatar. Tap on it, and then after some moments your animated avatar will be ready for your social media apps. Just skip the app again, and now you can see I have successfully generated an AI animated avatar for myself from my own selfie. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.